I made some strawberry tumbler charms. These are a couple pictures of them that I finished, and it's just me. I added a letter charm where you can personalize it, and this is just the layout on the table of the supplies that I'm using. Daisy, silicone beads, hexagon beads, strawberry vocal bead. I used 15mm silicone beads. And a couple of videos of them when they're finished. In the next few videos, I'll be explaining to you what they are. These tumbler charms, it has a letter. It's like a pink letter with a gold plated. I used a jump ring and a column thing that holds the beads. I used a gold plated, and this is a daisy. It has like kind of like a silver plate thing in it, and then this thing twists. It's like a wire that looks like this. It's 6 inches long. It slides like that. It has like grooves on the end of it, and that's where you do your beading. So I used that on there. I did a dark pink hexagon bead, and then I did the strawberry. It's two-sided, and then the letter charm is two-sided. And then I did a light pink, a white, a red, a white, pink, and a red. And this goes on a tumbler, like you can put it on a handle of a tumbler. So I went ahead and pre-made these little charms to add on to them. I'm going to make 5 of them. And I'm going to put these on my Etsy page. So I figured that'd be fun. The column things look like that, and they come in a packet. They have a little ring that goes where you can hang your jewelry on or your charms on. So hopefully they turn out okay. You can use needle nose pliers and pliers that kind of have a curve, or you can use 2 of these to open the jump rings and to put the jewelry together. And also it helps with when you're trying to put the beads on. So I put the pliers on this string or wire. And then I put the red one, and it helps me bead that on there better. So I just go through and put all the beads on. It helps push into the bead, because sometimes with your bare hands it's too hard. So I like these little pliers, and then it just starts to look like that.